We have another identity on the board. This time we are going to start our proof from the left side. So first we're supposed to copy down the left side. I have secant square x plus tangent square x plus 1 equals secant square x I can rewrite as 1 over cosine x to the second power. Simply I'm supposed to use the reciprocal relation. Plus, for tangent square x, I'm going to use the quotient relation, and I'm going to rewrite this as sine x over cosine x to the second power plus 1. Next, I'm supposed to use the properties of exponents and simply raise numerator to the second power and denominator to the second power. We have 1 to the second power is just 1 over cosine square x plus sine x to the second power is sine square x over cosine square x plus, and I have 1. Because I'm dealing with fractions, I'm supposed to convert 1 to fraction 2. Okay, in other words, I'm going to have 1 and 1 in the numerator and denominator, but I'm going to find the common denominator for all of them. So the denominator for my 1 is going to be cosine square x, and at the same moment I'm going to have also cosine square x in the numerator, because cosine square x over cosine square x gives me 1. Next, I'm supposed to perform addition. I have 1 plus sine square x plus cosine square x over the common denominator, which is cosine square x. Please notice that I have sine square x plus cosine square x. Sine square of an angle plus cosine square of the same angle is equal 1. So I can rewrite this as 1 plus 1 over cosine square x, where 1 plus 1 is equal 2. I have 2 over cosine square x. Now let's take a look what we have obtained. This expression is exactly the same like the expression which I have on the right side of my original identity. So this is the proof that the left side of my identity is equal to the right side.